Hey, what did we just get, eh?
Charlie.
Have a look. The size of these things. Jade is such an prick.
Bigger than the last.
Yeah. Talk it up. Mate, this thing here. Oh my God, look, it's taking line. This is big angry squid, this one. This is about 2-3 kilo, I reckon.
I'll talk it up, eh?
Nah, I'm telling you, mate, this is a big squid. I haven't caught a big squid like this for a long time.
Big!
Even bigger than you, Jade. Chewy!
Smitty got the goods.
Woo! After all that, thank God. Triple hook up. I'm getting cuttlefish. I got this big cuttlefish, look at that. Look at that. Weird as, eh?
Yeah.
It's got a big thump on it. You know what that is, don't you? Yeah, look at that. Big Chewy, I told you.
Holy Hey!
Shut up and sit down.
What the fuck is going on with my boat? Raymond, what are you doing?
Somebody needs a hot shower system in here. So, if we step aside.
Yes, gotta have it. You gotta have it.
Look.
You gotta have it.
Okay.
Afternoon. Well,
Yeah.
the boat is just.
Anyway.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh. Hello everybody, welcome back to another show. We're with Kenny, Damo. We're chasing some salmon, trawling for tuna, bonito, something like that anyway today. And then we'll take you with us and see what we can get. How we going, fellas? Any strikes yet?
Not yet, mate. Waiting.
Kenny?
Any moment now.
Any moment?
Yep.
Any moment?
Feel it.
It's already been a few moments. I better hurry up. Don't bring it in. Go across, Damo. Go across, Damo. Go across. Oh no. Keep the pressure on them. You can't work it out, Kenny?
No, mate.
Shit. If you stand up, it's better. I want to try and get that rock in as well. Where's the fish gone? Go underneath. Work out each other.
Yeah, right.
Go on.
I'll
Move.
come around.
Move underneath. I go over the top. Keep the pressure on, Kenny. Bloody hell. Talk about excitement.
You got the net?
No, I got the camera.
Look at them, all down there, see?
Yeah, there's heaps. We'll get him. 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 Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry,
Simon does it again. Oh no. Get here. Oh, again. Bring him over. Alrighty. Woo. Yeah, mate. What's your rod? What's my rod?
Oh, yeah. It's all happening.
Oh shit. Hey Kenny, what did we just get? Hey, what did we just get, eh?
Charlie.
Have a look. The size of these things.
Yummy, yummy.
Big dog. Anyway, we're going to get some squid first before we go out. We've got a little squid there, another little squid in there. So a couple of squid straight up, 5 minutes. That ain't too bad. Almost got enough bait. Alright, talk to you soon.
On. Settle down. Carefree. Looks like I peed my pants.
Got it? Look at that snot. Look at that snot. Look at it. Look at it. We got a cold. Jade is such an prick.
Sounds bigger than the last one.
Yeah, yeah. Talk it up. Talk it up. Up. That's a big one.
Yeah, I know.
That's a nice one. I thought I had the bottom. Nah, can't be. Surely. Mate, this thing here. Oh my god, look, it's taking line. Shit. This is a big fucking squid.
This is my donkey. This is my cost.
Mate, these are huge. This is huge. This is a huge squid. This is big squid. This is a big squid. This is big angry squid, this one. This is... Holy shit. Look at this line. Stretching. Mate, this thing... Nah, you wouldn't get this on a rod. This is about 2-3 kilo, I reckon. It's a big one.
I'll talk it up, eh?
Nah, I'm telling you, mate, this is a big squid. I haven't caught a big squid like this for a long time. This is big. I'm talking big.
Big!
Yeah. Even bigger than you, Jaden. Look at this. Look at this, it's gonna come up. Look at that. We might have to put the engines on and chase it down. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Whoa.
That is just crazy. That's crazy shit. Mate, I can't get this guy in. I can't get him in. Look at it. He's coming to the surface, coming to the surface, coming to the surface. Is this might be a swordfish.
Oh, he's jumped out of the water.
Look at this. Well, look at it. Oh, it's a cuttlefish. That's why.
Squid.
It's a cuttlefish. Oh, this guy is huge.
Whoa!
Look at this. Alrighty. That's a big cuttlefish. That's a big cuttlefish.
Do not let this mother.
Up, up, up,
I
up.
got your license.
Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Oh. That's it, hold it there. Hold it there. Holy shit, look at the size of that thing. Mate, if that was a squid, that's a big squid. That's a big cuttlefish. Look at that ugly thing, boy. Yeah. Oh well.
What?
It's raining squid. Hallelujah. All right, we've got enough, just about got enough bait now for our trip out deep. Oh yep. It's not as big as that cuttlefish you just got, but it's a squid. That's all that matters. There he comes.
I got your line.
That's it.
See how its head's facing up? Yeah.
Yeah, it'll shoot ink up in the air. Stand by straight up, Judge. Hey! You're both on, boys. Double trouble.
I don't feel like a sandbag.
No. What's yours, Josh? Stand by.
Mine's not kicking. I'm timing out.
Josh, you're right, mate. 15 minutes. Look at this big dog. Oh. Woo! How's that? Something had to go at it while it was in the water, eh? Look at that. How do you feel?
Sore, tired, ready to go sleep.
Chewy, chewy!
Sminky got the goods.
Woo! After all that, thank God. Thank God. Not a big one, but still a Jewy. Stinky shit. Ah, yeah. You know how good that is?
Very good.
You know how good that is? Appreciate it very much, boys. I'll show you something that I've been wanting for a long time. There's this. Look at this. Hot water. Oh my God. Oh. And for my hands, it is absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. All right, what's Joshy boy got? Let's have a look. And he's catching on my rod. Yeah. Sweetie, you reckon, eh, Josh? Big cuttlefish again. Oh no, you're a cuttlefish magnet, mate. Look at the size of that. Far out.
Good.
Look at that. Well, guess what? Won't have to worry about buying bait for 12 months. Triple hook up. How's that your go, mate? Oh no. Here's mine. I think mine's a cuttlefish, I think. By the feel of it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna deal with this. There he is down there. No, guys. I'm getting cuttlefish. I got this big cuttlefish, look at that. Alright, gonna deal with this stuff. Cuttlefish has grabbed the fish. I reckon. Hey? Oh, no, this is tail. Oh, no! Oh, shit! Look at that. Weird as, eh?
Yeah.
It's got a big thump on it. You know what that is, don't you? Hey? Oh, it's just weird, isn't it?
Angry chunk shaking his head.
Ah, it's nice, mate. That's a good fish. I had it and I lost it. At least you got it. At least you got it. Again, like normal. Yeah, look at that. Big Jewy, I told you.
Holy
Hey!
Why did that fire the whole way from 70 metres down?
Oh, shit. I told you it was a big Jewy. Oh my god!
Got that one.
Bastard! You bastard! One more this way. Okay. Alright. Jaden does it again. Doing? What are you doing? Is that another Jewy? Is that another Jewy? Was this on the bottom or not?
Yeah.
Okay, so it wasn't 50 metres up like it did last time? Yep. Oh, yes! Yep! Salmon!
Fucking
Salmon!
Oh.
Well, that's alright. Almost a G. Josh, I hate to say it, but you look like shit.
Feel like death.
What is wrong?
I don't know.
Oh man. Is it Chucky time?
Probably.
Oh. Poor Josh. Might have to go back soon. Hey guys. Well, it's the end of our day. So we're going to show the boys as well. They're cleaning up, packing up. I'm just driving slowly back to where we launched, and yeah, it's a pretty rough day, but it's not bad. You know, it's just choppy and windy, but anyway, guys, that's a wrap for today. We're going to, like I said, head back. So then we're going to clean the fish, clean the boat, usual story. And then I'd like to say thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share it around. Until then, stay safe and happy fishing. If anything else happens, I'll record it. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. See you later, guys.